Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here.
Today I'm making a freeform peace sign hand ornament. You can get the template along with the template for the ornament made with the jig in the description below. And also I'll link up a video on how to make your own templates that you can trace with wire. So we're going to start and we'll take the template and some 1.5 millimeter aluminum wire. This wire is quite soft, so all we have to do is hold it against the template and wind it around the forms. And you can rotate the paper as you need to so you can access the shapes. And now we're just going to keep winding it around. Like I said, this wire is super soft, so you'll have no trouble doing this without the tools. But you can also do this type of thing with tools, and the video that I mentioned below will show you how to do that. So we are going to go around the forms, pressing the wire down onto the paper, and you could even push your nail or the tip of your finger down to make some sharper bends. And we're using our thumb to make the curved edges. So just keep going with it, holding it in strategic places as you wind the wire around. This one I'm making the little fingernails, and you could make it simpler without the fingernails if you prefer as well. And you can make these any size. You can print out the templates any size you like, and this works well for a larger design with the thicker wire. So now we're going to go around to the palm and just curve the wire around to the bottom, and we're working our way over to the heart. So now we're going to bend the wire in the middle up at an angle to form the heart and bring it around. If you need, you can get your pliers, bring them in to do some sharper bends, and then hold it and bring the wire around. And again, straight across, and we'll curve it around towards the thumb. So now we're going to bend it up, and the thumb connects to the fingers. It can actually overlap the fingers. You can adjust the position of these if you like. So just curve it around and down. This is a pretty simplified design. Bring it around, and then we're going to go up the first finger. Do a little bit of a bend there, hold it, curve it around. I had just enough wire for this. I used 4 feet of the 1.5 millimeter aluminum wire. So we are going to bring the wire straight up and then curve it around the top of the finger. And that's our basic shape. We can remove the template, and then we're going to get our round pliers and center them just at the top of the finger, bend it straight up. That will form the loop, and then we want to loop the other wire around it. So we're just going to check the position and then take your round pliers and help out that little bend a bit. Take the end, give it a little bit of a tug, clip it flush so it'll just be sitting right in there. And we'll get our flat pliers and pinch it in a little bit so there's no little rough edge. And we're going to get our round pliers and make a loop at the top. So center that loop, and then we can clip it flush, or you can wind it around if you like. And we're just going to press that little end in. And then if you want to hang it from a ribbon, we're just going to turn it a half turn to make it perpendicular to the piece. And that way we can put in a ribbon. Otherwise you can put on a jump ring. And then we'll do any little adjustments that we need. And I just have some 1/4-inch ribbon. These are great for tree ornaments. They can be sun catchers. So take the 2 ends and we'll do a slip knot. So we're just going to pop those little ends through, pull it, and there's your really cool peace sign ornament. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.